Hey guys, this is a hotel review. The hotel that I will be reviewing is the Hilton Home2suites in Wilmington, North Carolina. I actually stayed here months ago, but I had so much content that I had to get out that this one was kind of pushed back. So this was a visit I did maybe 5 or 6 months ago. You know, life is that busy. It is. I would like for you to watch the hotel tour, and then after the tour, I will give you my opinion and my feedback on my stay. Take a look. So carpet is nice. You walk in, you have a nice size refrigerator, stainless steel. Look at the appliances. Yes. Nice. A sliding door. Ah, love the wallpaper. That mirror. Nice glass shower, lovely bathroom. And here's the room. Look at the decor. That beautiful wallpaper. The couch, everything looks clean. The rug, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. And look at this curtain. It separates the room. Have a really large TV. Desk area. This pulls out. Okay, so you have a table. And I love the nooks. You see the nooks? That one. And you have this one with the polka dots. The decor is on point. And you have a closet here. Window. All glass window. Updated. Cute lamp. Very tastefully done. Once again, the Hilton delivers. Came through again. My family and I's preference is the Hiltons when we go out of town to stay. They set the bar here. There were no complaints. Customer service was great. Room service was great. The rooms were immaculate. Very clean. The decor, it really just touched my soul. I love staying in a nice hotel. Whenever I have to stay in a hotel, this, my friends, is how I would like to stay. Smelled good. The colors were vibrant and popping. The decor was on point. Very spacious. The lighting was good. The location was good. Everything was freaking phenomenal. Most definitely recommend to anyone. It was absolutely wonderful. 2 thumbs up for me. Just a side note, this was a new hotel when I stayed there. It had been, I don't know the exact age of the property and how long it's been there. I know it's definitely less than a year, so that could have something to do with the newness of everything. I don't know, I don't care, but it worked. If you're looking for a place to stay while you're out of town, out of the city, out of the state, Hilton Home2suites is where it's at. Comment down below if you stayed in the Hilton Home2suites. What's your experience with Hiltons in general? I'm a fan. Talk to y'all later. Bye y'all. Love y'all. Peace.